channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. We just got to Washington, so I'm getting settled in and a little bit behind on my unboxings. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of future videos, and as always, a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning or you just subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. So today's unboxing is a Beauteque monthly box. This box is about $24 a month. And as always, I have a link below that takes you to my links that has all the discount codes and their website. So if it's something that you're interested in and you want to get, please feel free to use my link. So let's get into it. This box is mostly a skincare box. I get this box and I get Face Tory, and they have lots of skincare. So that's why I get them. Just to be honest, I tried to video this yesterday inside and it was too dark. So I did 2 videos and deleted 2 videos. I don't know if that happens to you guys when you do your videos, but I just didn't like it. So I did kind of rip into the paper. So it's not as beautiful as when I first opened it, but it had the cutest little sticker on it, and it says "Aloe there," A-L-O-E for aloe. So that was cute. And the first thing I'm going to take out, I was so excited when I took this out of the package. I didn't know what it was. I'm like, it doesn't feel like a face mask, but I really don't know what it was. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, or I watch your channel, normally at the end I leave a couple of cacti. So when I open this, it has a cactus on it, and it is a headband. I said this was worth the price of the box. Is that like not the cutest? So I was just so excited about that. The next thing in the box is a mask. It's Super Veggie Masks, and it's a 2-part mask. So I think what you do is you put this part on your face first, and then you put the masks. And again, I'm a mask person, so that's again why I get these boxes. They're heavily into masks, and they just have like really great products. So that's this one. And then the next thing is the Cashmere Perfume Body Lotion, and this smells terrific. It smells clean and outdoor, and the lotion itself is not very thick, and it smells great. And look at the size of this bottle. And again, this box is like $24 a month, and it's free shipping. The next thing, and when I took these out yesterday, I had a look on my face like, what the heck? And I'm trying to see where the card is for, okay, here it is. So I got these, and as I said, they look like something that you would put up your nose. So after reading to what they actually are, they're these little ampules that have cleansing powder in them. So you pour it in your hand and you mix it with water and you wash your face. Or you can use your existing cleanser and pour this into it to clean your face. And they are promoting that it's great for travel. So all you need are these, a bottle of water, and you can clean your face. So can't go wrong with that. The next thing that came in this great packaging is a lip balm. And it looks like that. And I think I opened it upside down yesterday. And I'm doing it today. But that's what it looks like. It's got a clean smell to it. So you can never have too many of these. You leave them in your purse, you leave them in the car, you leave them at home. So this is really nice. And the last thing in the box, I got these things all over now, is rose water skin pads. And these are kind of like a toner. So after you clean your face, then you take these and wipe it off. And they're sealed, so I don't want to open it because I'm not going to use it right away, and I don't want them to dry up. But this is a great idea, especially if you apply heavy makeup like I do. I know it doesn't look like it, but it takes a while to get off. So these are really nice. So there was 1, 2, 3, 4, excuse me, 6 items in this box, and they're all full size. And of course, my favorite is my cactus. So let's go and see what we got. The Super Veggie-Tox 2-Step Mask retails for $3. And what's nice is they tell you what it is, how to use it, when to use it, so a lot of detailed information. And then there's the Organic Farm Rose Water Skin Pad. And to use that, it's after cleansing your face, apply toner pad to dry skin, rub the rose water skin pad all around the face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes and mouth. The smell of rose water can even relieve headaches. Then of course, oh, and that was 10. And then there's my headband. And that retailed for $8. The Sweet Love Body Lotion retails for $12. And the Oriental Herb Cleansing Powder retails for $15. And again, there were quite a few of these little ampoules in them, so I'm anxious to try it. And then the Natural Moisture Lip Balm retails for $8. So again, full-size products. They're all very nice, and there is not one item in here that I will not use. So that's really nice. And they also have, if you just want to get masks, they have the Mask Maven, so you can sign up for that too. So, loving this box. Please comment below. Let me know what you thought of this box, and I will see you for the next video.